Hello there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is PJ Katapang, ang Bataggenyo vlogger ng Milan, Italy. And for tonight's episode, alam ko magugustuhan niyo to because I'm going to show you my latest purchase from the luxury leather fashion house that I love. Serapian Milano. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So guys, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing kasi gumagawa ako ng videos every week. May it be about luxury or about lifestyle or about mga kalokohan ng mga barkada ko or my family. Kaya, help me grow my channel, consider subscribing, and please always click the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bago nating vlogs. So without further ado, let's go! Excited na ba kayo? Eto na. Let's start with the first item, which is tada! This is the Serapian coffee table book. Actually, hindi ko alam pero may price dito sa likod. So, I think they used to sell this. But, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the staff of Serapian when we went there at bumili ng mga new purchases namin. Binigyan kami ng coffee table book. In English, guys. Kaya nakakatuwa. Kasi, they have this in Italian kasi nga alam nyo naman ang mga clients mostly is Milanese, no? Mga taga dito sa Milano. But they also cater or they have shops in Japan, Russia, in those countries, and even sa friend ko narinig ko na meron sila doon sa Qatar. Shout out sa iyo Ivy, kay Yvette. Shout out sa iyo. So ano bang tinatalakay ng mga coffee table book? Like every coffee table books na kilala natin, kasi nakita ko may Chanel, may Louis Vuitton, and I'm so happy na I have the Serapian because I really love this. So, it includes, ano ba? Siyempre yung mga pictures like this. The Atelier. Look at this one. They have beautiful pictures. Ito yung isa sa gustong-gusto kong leather ng Serapian. They call this Evolution. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo. I have a bag na Evolution yung leather. But, let's see. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Diba? That's Evolution. And that's the Epsom of Hermes. Yun ang kanilang type of leather. And sa Prada, they call it Saffiano, if I'm not mistaken. Yung counterpart niya, sa Hermes is Epsom. Gusto ko yung mga ganito. Gusto ko yung mga pinapanood yung mga ganyan. And I want also to know the history behind. So, look at this. This is the Mr. and Mrs. Serapian and their love story. So, it includes the history of the fashion brand. It includes the history of actually Milan, how it was, at saka how it became famous during those times. Because I saw Audrey Hepburn, I saw Frank Sinatra. Actually, gumawa na ako ng vlog regarding Serapian, and I'm going to put it here if you guys want to check it out. I love it. And I suggest na if you guys have a chance to go to a Serapian shop, you can ask if they have this coffee table book. Alam ko magi-enjoy kayo because you'll know the brand more. And when it comes to heritage, may heritage talaga yung brand. So let's move on. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. And the next one is tada! Siyempre dun sa mga luxury, di ba yung mga papel-papel tayo dyan. And this is the dust bag. Bigyan mo na natin dito. Look at this. How beautiful this is. This is the new Serapian trifold wallet. Trifold because tatlong folds. Trifold. Parang tricycle. Diba? Chika lang kayo naman. One, you can put your cards here. May mga sila eh. How many card holders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you can put 6 cards in here. Dito sa part na to lang ng fold. And then, you can put your money, yung mga papel nyong pera, dito sa part na to. Di ba? And sa another fold, dito naman, you can put your barya. This is a perfect wallet. Why do I say perfect? Kasi first, maliit. Ang hirap naman kasi mag long wallet, lalo na kapag on the go ka, tapos 'di ba maliit lang yung bag mo. So, 'yun ang pinakamaganda sa mga ganitong small sized wallet na ganito dahil on the go, saksalpak mo lang talaga siya, maliit lang and kasyang-kasya. That's what I love about it. And ang pinakagusto ko sa totoo lang, guys, yung mga gusto ko talaga dito is the color. Kasi I love this color. This is the gray or gray. 'Di ba? And they have the logo here. Kita niyo ba? Ayan yung logo. The logo is Serapian Milano. The stitches and the leather, this one is really good. And it says made in Italy. I'll show you. Wait lang. Ayan. Made in Italy. Hindi na ako magwa what fits kasi it fits 6 or 6 to 10 cards. Bukod sa sobrang niyang ganda and the texture and the leather. Let's smell it. Heavenly. Tuwang-tuwa kami sa mga na bili namin this time kasi alam niyo naman nga how we love Mark and I, how we love Serapian. And the winner is the winner is the yes, we have the Villa bag, guys. Ito yung bonggang-bonggang Villa bag. What I love about this is the luxurious touch of the leather, which is maganda naman talaga. And it has the papakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Yung hardware niya, it has Serapian on it. I don't know if you can see it. Ayan. You have it here. Di ba? Actually, may mga papel-papel pa. Tanggalin natin. Wait lang. Para makita nyo yung compartments. 1 and 2. Ang maganda dito, yung lining niya sa loob, it has also a strap kasi meron siyang paglalagyan ng strap sa dalawang tabi. Here, look at this. At saka dito. It has 3 compartments. Bababa na natin dito. 3 compartments, guys. Look. 1, 2, 3 major compartments plus lalagyan ng wallet or something here. The wallet is dito pala kasi nga it has a zip. Kaya mas secure ang wallet mo dito kapag may dito. And ang maganda talaga dito is suede leather yung loob. Kaya it has a luxury feel to it. And more or less it's like a doctor's bag, parang bauleto yung tawag nung unang panahon. 'Di ba? And the stitches and the leather, it's really cool at ang ganda-ganda talaga. And very classic, kaya bongga. What do you think? Ang ganda, no? And, di ba, yung heat stamp niya na Serapian Milano, kita nyo naman. Ayan. Okay. Guys, if you have a chance to check Serapian on your country, in your city, check it out kasi bongga naman talaga. This is not a paid partnership, ha. I'm just sharing you the things I love at mga bagay na gusto namin talaga ni Mark. Anyway, if you guys like this video of mine, kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga bags and leather goods na to, please hit like and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. Always click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago nating vlogs. Kaya guys, see you in my next vlog. Ciao!